Alright, I think we're live. La 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 la. Welcome! Hey Midna, welcome. You are first. Alright. I'm about to play me some Dragon Ball FighterZ. Oh man, I'm looking forward for this game so much. And the problem is, it's not out yet. I'm just playing the beta version. So, Victory Leo, welcome! You're probably the last one, yeah. Man, yeah, I'm looking forward so much for this game. So yeah, I managed to get hold of the beta, however it's called. So we're gonna check it out. We're gonna check it out until I'm tired of it. Open beta version 1.00.eu. Alright, yeah, here we go. Attention! Do not power off the PlayStation 4 system while this icon is visible. It's always the 4-star Dragon Ball. Oh, here we go. So I think I'm gonna be playing online, I think. I think I can play online with people. Hey, Nick! Welcome! Hey, Toby's here! If you got it, Toby, maybe we can fight you with me. I don't know. You don't have permission? What? What? No! Are you kidding me right now? Seriously? Why not? Are you kidding me right now? You don't have permission. What? What? I think it's open at noon. It is noon here. Well, it's past noon. Come on, seriously? I should have checked beforehand. But the thing is, I didn't do that. I didn't test it out. I wanted to, give my first reaction, and this is my reaction. Oh no! Let's Google it. Let's see why it says that. Or maybe I can check the store. Let me see at the store if it says anything regarding this. Let's see real quick. Ah, that is so funny. Hey, no, you know my name. Let me see real quick. Hold on. Hold on. This is so weird. Thank you for retweeting me, Wesker, but I don't think I'm gonna be playing it. Let's see. Let me check real quick. Hold on. I mean, maybe I just didn't read the description properly or something. Let's see. I can do the... What's this? Alright. I can do the voice of Vegeta. 1 hour. In 1 hour. I'm gonna be playing in 1 hour, you mean? Hold on. So, hold on. So, adjust the Dragon Ball Early Access. Ah, è riservato a chi ha effettuato il prima... Ah... Alright. So according to this... Oh man, really? According to this, it says whoever pre-ordered the game gets access to Dragon Ball FighterZ beta. So... Oh no... Come on, man! Really? That is so cheap. But I mean, maybe it opens. Oh crap! Let me just look it up real quick. Hold on. Let me see. Because I know it's gonna open to the public, not just to those people who pre-ordered it, though, right? It's gonna open first for the people who pre-ordered it. And then, you know what, I'll just pre-order it. I don't care. The thing is, I already ordered a physical copy. That's the thing. Hold on. Dragon Ball. Man. Balls. I think it's really Dragon Balls right now. FighterZ beta. Let's see what it says. Hold on. Now available to preload on PS4. I get that. Open dates announced. Hold on. Announced. So January 13th and January 14th. But January 14th is when the beta ends. There's no point. Come on. 2 days for January for everyone. 3 days for pre-orders. Exactly. 2 days in January for everyone. So pre-orders January 13th, which is today. Everybody gets it on January 14th. Oh man. This beta is for PlayStation. Now it says all January 14th 3 AM ET. What is ET? Eastern time. Eastern time. What is Eastern time right now? 11:26. Oh, so half an hour. No, it's not half an hour because it's gonna be at 3 a.m. So that is, oh my goodness, 3 a.m. January 14th. I have to wait 24 hours before I can play it. Hey Daryl, hey Wesker. It's open to everyone at midnight on the 14th. On the 14th. So that means, I'm just looking at the time zone right now. So it's 11:26 over there. It's noon over there. So it's in 12 hours basically, right? It's about 12 hours. 12 hours and 30 minutes. Am I saying that right? I'll wake up, huh? I'll wake up and that would be 5 a.m. for me? No, it would be 6 a.m. I'll wake up at 6 a.m. if I have to, huh? I'll wake up at 6 a.m. But next time I'll test it out. Ah, crap. Ah, crap, man. What am I gonna do? Pre-order's I'm tempted to pre-order just to, so my stream is legit. Unless you pre-order it now. Should I do it now? Just so I can play it just so that I can play the beta a couple of hours early. I already ordered the physical copy, to be honest. So if I do this, I can cancel that. I can cancel it. I can pre-order it, get access to the beta, and then cancel the pre-order. I've done it before. I can do it again. Should I? Oh man. Oh man. You know what we can do? What we can do is, oh man, crap. Hold on. I don't have a be right back screen, but be right back. I'm gonna play something else. I feel like playing Dragon Ball right now, so I am gonna play Dragon Ball, and I have to rename the stream. What can you do? Hold on, properties. Won't take long. It shouldn't take long what I'm about to do. Give me a second. I'm gonna switch from PlayStation 4 to PlayStation 3. Done. Give me a sec, guys. Bear with me here. It is a shame. Alright, switching over to PlayStation 3. What can you do? But I feel like playing some Dragon Ball, so it's gonna happen. I'm gonna rename the stream before I get trolled. Not trolled really, but you know what I mean. Where is it? Info and settings. Dragon Ball. Let's play some Burst Limit, because why not? I like Burst Limit, so we can play that one. There we go. Let's enjoy this one. This is good. Hey, Sean, welcome. I'm sorry I didn't notice chat for a while. I was looking away. But I know Wesker's here, and who else? Wesker's here, and Sean is here, and Cheer is here. Hello, Cheer. And I noticed Daryl was here as well, right? But when the open beta comes on, I'm definitely gonna stream it. Not today. I'm sorry. I should have tested it. But the thing is, I don't test because I wanna. You can hear it, guys, right? Let's play some of this, because why not? Because why not? I feel like playing some Dragon Ball anyway, so. You can hear the game, right? This game looks really good, you know, for an old game, basically. It's one of my favorite ones. Yes, Toby, sure. I'll share my my PSN ID on Discord later. You know, there's an online Dragon Ball. Yeah, even the Xenoverse, right? I have it actually. I could play that one, but I prefer this. I don't know why. I prefer this one. Let's play some of this. Why not? I don't even know if I have all the characters. Do I? I finished this game a couple of times, but I've changed profiles on my PlayStation 3, so I don't know. I even changed PlayStation 3, so Chronicles. Can I start over? Oh yeah, sure, why not? Let's go. Sure, why not? Here we go again. We're gonna go on normal, I guess. Oh man, I was so looking forward to play the beta. Womp womp. And I think Beerus is gonna be in the beta, if I'm not mistaken. Lord Beerus.
Where's your pride? You are Saiyan, the greatest race of warriors in the universe. Know your place.
My name is Goku, and I belong here. Get out of here!
You fool!
I'm gonna trash him. Bro. Okay. Ah, crap.
Take this! Take this!
And an MMORPG. I've heard of it. I know which one you mean. I think, you know. But to me, an MMORPG is not a Dragon Ball game. Dragon Ball's all about the fighting and the storyline. There are Cybermen in this game.
You. What? You? How can you still stand? Piccolo! Now!
Special Beam Cannon!
Special Beam Cannon!
Oh man, you started off with a really bad game. That's the first game I ever played, actually, Cheer. That's the first Dragon Ball I ever played. It's not a good one.
Darn it!
I should play it one of these days, but not the final bout. No, I want to play that one, the 16 something, Ultimate Characters, Ultimate 16. I don't know what it was for, I forgot, but I should play it one of these days. I still have it on my PlayStation. Final bout, that was Dragon Ball GT though, right? If I'm not mistaken. So now I've got two. Let's do this one. Piccolo's trump card. Piccolo's trump card. Oh man, I really felt like playing the Dragon Ball beta. Womp womp.
No. You're really something.
You know, I never watched GT either. I never watched GT. I want to watch them, but I think I'll watch them after Super now. It makes more sense to watch after. I hope it will make sense. I don't think it will, actually. I don't think it will make sense after Super. Whatever. Ooh, nice. He dodged it. Has Nikki been streaming? I haven't seen Nikki online in a while.
Special beam cannon! Take that! He's concentrating all of his power into one finger. Impressive. It could have taken me out if it hit.
Let's hit him now.
Sorry.
Ah. Oh, he started. Ooh, nice. We're flying now. Can we fly this?
Sorry.
Special. Okay. Special beam. Thank you for your help. Yes, I'm getting ultimate finishes every single time. That's awesome.
On you. What? You? How can you still stand? Piccolo! Now! Special beam cannon!
Yeah, the general advice is always to stay away from GT, but the thing is, if you're hungry for more Dragon Ball, you can watch it. I will watch it one of these days. I'm trying to catch up with Super, actually. I'm behind on Super. This is annoying. I play as the weakest character in the Dragon Ball universe. I'm gonna play as the weakest fighter of all. Plus, you battle a bunch of Cybermen. They keep appearing and appearing and appearing. You take one down, another one appears. You take one down, another one appears. Bring them closer. Here we go. Oh, it's not the weakest then.
Fine. I'll go.
Yeah, I do mean Yamcha. But apparently I use this guy first.
Whenever you're ready.
This is a good game. It's one of my favorite Dragon Ball games. There's a few things that are missing, and they bother me, but it's not bad. Some of the things that are missing in this game. Some of the things that are missing are the Majin Buu Cyberman 2. Is the Majin Buu Saga is missing here. They made it into a separate game, which is very annoying. The Majin Buu Saga is complete, and then they made Raging Blast or Burst Limit 2. Not so sure if it's Raging Blast or Burst Limit 2. I'm not gonna buy another game just so I have the rest of the game, basically. I don't know. I felt like it was a ripoff, so I can Solar Flare, yeah. Anyway, so I didn't buy the second game. Yeah, the Buu Saga is missing from here. Oh, oops, I was looking at chat. Oopsie. How do you Solar Flare? I forgot. That's the one, okay. There we go. I didn't succeed to do anything with that. That's okay. Let's go. Oh, there we go. So I didn't buy the second game. I didn't care. So I just bought this one. Another thing that's missing in this game that bothers me is that there's no like damage to them when they get, you know, when they fight and they get damaged. You don't see like in the anime. It's like they kind of get dirty and their clothes get torn off. I like that. It's not here in this game. Except for Goku when he's fighting Frieza at the end.
I thought I told you. You'd better go all out. What? He's a monster.
I'm gonna get a bunch of thumbs down, I think, on this one because the thumbnail is still FighterZ. Whoops. I don't care. I don't feel like changing it. Nah, I think this is the worst stage of the whole game. Because I'm gonna do my best with the weakest character possible. I'm gonna keep fighting over and over and over these Cybermans, and then he's still gonna die.
Okay, your game is over. Let's do this!
So we were thinking for next Comic-Con, me and my friend. My friend is bald, and we were thinking of buying 2 outfits like these and go to Comic-Con and dress up as Goku and Krillin. And he's like, why do you get to be the Super Saiyan? Why do you get to be the Saiyan and I get to be the human? And because you don't have hair, so you have to be Krillin. He's like, no, you can be Yamcha. I don't want to be Yamcha. We'll be Yamcha. You know what? I'll just wear the outfit and then I'll let people guess which character I am. If it's Yamcha or Goku. Come on! Alright, that's enough. That's enough. Time to switch it up. Oops, maybe like this. Uh-oh. Oh, he's trashing me. And I love that they fight in the air as well. I like that. Did I hit him? Come on, Yamcha, come on! Yeah, I say Vloggy as always say Vloggy as the martial arts. We always see Vloggy as the martial now. Ah, okay. Look, this guy's trashing me. I'm gonna be careful now. I'm in danger. Uh-oh. Alright. I was on danger, look at that. So I ordered, let's watch the cutscene.
I think I can take care of the rest of them by myself. Get off of me! What the?
So I ordered like a box set of Resident Evil Revelations 1 for the 3DS. So I got Revelations 1 for the 3DS. It comes as like a pack, which includes like analog controllers. I can attach them to my 3DS and I'll have like an analog controller type thing. I don't care about that, but the whole pack only cost me like 6-7 euros. It's amazing. So it's on its way. I can't wait. I'm gonna stream it. I'll be streaming Resident Evil Revelations 1 from the 3DS. It's gonna be awesome. Thank you for the retweet, Drew.
So, who wants to be first?
Yeah, I can hear the audio twice because it's being picked up by my microphone. I need to lower it on my TV. But it's very, very, very low and it's still getting picked up by my microphone. I'm gonna lower it a little bit more. Now the audio is 6 on my TV. It was 9, now it's 6. I'm gonna play as, yeah, Nappa. I hate Nappa. Hey, my friend can go dress as Nappa, but he doesn't have the body of Nappa, so... He can also go as Tien. Oh, there's so many bold options. They're assisting him. So slow. Oh. Well, he's dead anyway. Oh. Alright, that does it. Rip. Body on body violence.
It's impossible. You just don't know when to quit. I'm still alive, stupid. Chaozu, I will avenge you. And then I'll be joining you. I promise I will not leave you alone. Key blast cannon! What? Ah! You startled me. No.
Rip. My character, even though I deleted the main storyline, apparently I still unlocked the characters because it's not telling me you unlock this character and unlock that one and this one and this one. So I'm gonna be playing as Nappa again, I think. Man, I'm so disappointed I couldn't play the beta. Womp womp. Hey Kingdom, hello, welcome. Battle of the Bolts.
You monster! Little shrimp, get back here!
Oops, I'm still playing this. Okay. You little shrimp!
Oh yeah, I'm gonna enjoy this.
Whoa, 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 what's going on? I'm missing my attacks. Whoa, did he just... It's another Bolt versus Bolt, I know, right? No! Look, I think he became Super Saiyan God. Krillin. He's got the blue aura. He's so slow! He doesn't run, he just walks. Look, he walks towards him. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Let me just... Okay. No, the solar flare again. This is useful, huh? Come on. You got this, man. Are you kidding me, this guy? Nice, almost there.
Looks like it's do or die.
The Super Saiyan God is a red aura when he's not Super Saiyan though. He's just the God. Super Saiyan mode God thingy. I don't know. But first he goes pink. It's true.
That's it.
Like Toby said, SSJGS.
Time to die!
Hey! Silver Drift, welcome. It's time to play as Gohan. I miss Teen Gohan in this game as well. I like adult Gohan, not teen, I mean adult. I like the adult Gohan. In this game. I mean not in this game, he's not in this game. I want him in this game.
Dad! I sent my dad! Okay, I just have to hold
Yes, they
him
are,
off
Toby.
until my
Yes,
dad
they are.
gets here.
Oh, that's a good win, Silver Drift.
You're gonna try to hold me off? Don't make me laugh. You stupid pipsqueak!
Ah! Ah!
I love that he's wearing the Piccolo outfit, I love that. I'm so much faster than him, he's not gonna keep up. Oh, I should have dodged that one. This one. Taking what? Taking a break from Dragon Ball? Watching Dragon Ball. I usually take a break from taking a break. Come on, I'm angry now. Eee, he dodged that. Nice. Eat this. I'm way more behind than that here actually. I'm more behind than that. Nice.
Finish KO.
I like that they bring the voice actors to do the same voices of the anime here in the games. I appreciate that.
But Keiko! Mr. Piccolo, I'm sorry. I couldn't do it. I can't even run away.
Is that it? The first saga is a bit boring to play because there's no Super Saiyans, so it bothers me. I mean, there's Kaioken, and I think I'm gonna be able to do that here. I think. We all wonder that. Cheer, we all wonder that.
What's with your face? I don't like it. I will never forgive
Oh, I think it's the
you!
Ultra 9000. It's about to happen.
What? His power levels at 7,000, 8,000. Impossible. Vegeta! What does the scouter say about his power level? It's over 9,000!
There it is.
What? 9,000? That can't be right!
It's over 1,000! It must be broken!
Because there's no way you're stronger than me!
I love Goku. Uh oh. I love playing as Goku. He's not gonna stand a chance. Okay, maybe one chance. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Too soon for you to die.
Whoa. Okay, that made me angry.
You're pretty full of yourself, but you're not that strong.
Wait! You're saying that I am not that strong?
I wonder what he would look like as a Super Saiyan 3, Nappa. As Super Saiyan 3 gets a lot of hair. Okay, come on, man. Oh no, oh no! Oh, he dodged it. Or maybe I missed. Hey, Big Boss, welcome! How are you, Big Boss?
Watch this!
He ruined my Kaioken. He ruined my attack. Oh, my Kaioken. There's no time actually. I'm getting damaged. This is gonna be a close one. No! Kaioken. Bald but big mustache. I think it's the mustache that's giving him power. Mustache. Oh man, I didn't go Kaioken. I think that's my fail. Can I go Kaioken here or not? I don't know. I'll try. Look at the bouncy balls. Kaioken times 2! I want to do that.
What's
That's
with your
enough.
face?
What's with your face? Let's see if I can go Kaioken. Yes! Now we're talking! That's why I can win, because I didn't power up, I think. Oh, he got this. Oh, he defended himself. And I love that if they trash you, you power down. You'll no longer stay Kaioken or whatever, Super Saiyan, whatever. I'm kind of disappointed, Big Boss. Because I was planning to play the FighterZ, but it's not open yet for the public. It's just for the pre-order guys. So that was this was supposed to be that stream. Other than that, everything's okie dokie. Okay, okay. Careful, 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 careful. Nice. He didn't stand a chance now that I Kaioken'd. Yeah, it was just a warm-up stream, exactly.
Darn it!
He can't fight anymore. Take him and leave this planet now.
Hey Adi, welcome. Welcome to the stream. Nice to see you. Of course I remember you. Of course I remember you. If you're here more than once, I'll remember you. But sometimes people show up once and then they show up again a million years later and they're like, you remember me? No, I don't. In your case I do, because you showed yourself a couple of times. It's like the legendary fight. Yeah, I remember. In fact, I was thinking of playing that game today. But I've been feeling Dragon Ball-ish today.
You should be pleased. It's not often that a low-class warrior like you gets to play with an elite like me.
I guess now you can see that even a low-class warrior can exceed an elite with enough hard work.
Oh, here we go. Vegeta might give me a hard time, but I'm gonna be okay. Come on, come on! Grab him! Come on, grab him!
Fine.
He said this is Kaioken, but he didn't actually go Kaioken. Now I'm gonna go Kaioken though. Yeah, I saw him getting up. I got him. Crap.
Prepare yourself. give up!
I think there's no Majin Buu in this game though. And again.
Prepare yourself! Just don't give up!
Whoa. That was all epic! Did you see that? That was awesome!
I don't need this planet anymore! I'm going to demolish you along with the rest of the Earth!
Yeah, I think it was buffering. It went red for a second.
Just try to dodge it.
It's not just you.
And even if you
On my OBS, I have the red light.
completely destroyed!
I've got to try it. Kaioken times 3! Kamehameha!
It'll reduce the Earth to space dust!
Kaioken times 4!
It's no longer buffering now, right?
I did it.
But I noticed, yeah, if this is gonna keep happening, I'll end the stream. I'm already streaming not what I had in mind, I'm just trying to hang in there with this stream. The Ginyu, not the Ginyu. I think Vegeta yells Big Bang Attack. But not in that attack, no, not in that particular moment.
Hi, Vegeta!
This guy's so stupid.
It looks like it's our turn now. Can you force Recoom?
Right? Power up. Crap. There we go. Right, power up? Oh, come on. No, he doesn't power up. Okay, okay. Recoom! There's another Dragon Ball game. I think it's Ultimate Tenkaichi 3, if I'm not mistaken. And the cutscenes are so good. It's like they remade the anime. They are so good. I was gonna get that game, but everybody said that the gameplay is awful. So I'm like, okay, never mind.
I'm gonna kill you, okay? Time to die!
It's so strange now that we're on Nanak already. Ooh, nice. Okay. Oh. No! Nice! Be careful. I need to be careful. So I don't want to get cocky now. Alright, there we go.
That was pretty good. But you're kind of getting on my nerves. Sit down! Here comes the big finish! Recoom! Eraser gun!
I got the Z rank.
I have to try.
Take that! And that!
Correct me if I'm wrong, but I think that this is inaccurate. I think that Gohan's outfit in this saga is the same uniform, if I'm not mistaken. I'm not so sure, I could be wrong. The haircut is right, he's got the correct haircut. But I think the outfit isn't correct. I could be wrong. Gohan powered up, huh? I don't have power up.
Take this one too!
Later on is the armor. Yeah.
I am.
Yeah, he couldn't get. Yeah, exactly. That's what I thought. Maybe it's later. I don't know.
Goku.
The haircut is correct.
I won't lose to you.
You got my attack. Come on, power up, power up. Can I power him up? I don't think I can. Let's try. No, he doesn't power up.
Full power.
Grab. Bring around. Come on, get up. He's defending.
Full power.
Trying to grab him.
Whoa. Full power.
Uh-oh.
Whoa. Whoa.
He's so freaking slow. He's defending all of the attacks.
Full power.
Defending, blocking, or whatever. Nothing. Ooh, nice, that's a good attack. Ooh, nice. Pants. Pants. That's a good screenshot right there.
Too bad you had to fight
I know it's
me.
pants, but still, it's pants. This is getting garlic, cheese, and jalapeno pizza with cheesy chips from Pizza Place. Oh man, I don't want to get pizza, but no more. Diet. Ballsy. Hey, Master Gallade, welcome. I'm supposed to be playing the the beta, but it's not open yet.
Sorry, but you
So I'm
can't
playing
beat
some of
me.
this instead.
I can tell already.
I was trying to figure out what you were saying, and then I realized that you're a big fibber, and I don't play with liars. I guess I'm just gonna have to fix your attitude.
Fix my attitude. Come on. Fix my attitude. Come on. Has the fixing started yet? Huh? What's the name of that purple woman in this? Purple woman? Wait a minute. What purple woman? Alright. Purple woman. Are you talking about Whis? No, Whis is not. Whis is all a woman. Looks like a woman.
You ready?
Ooh, point blank. Yeah, the cutscenes are good. But the best Dragon Ball cutscenes that I've ever seen are, I think it's Ultimate Tenkaichi 3, if I'm not mistaken. They remade slash remastered the whole. I love the sequence as well. Anyway.
Not bad.
Yeah, I think it's Ultimate Tenkaichi 3 if I'm not mistaken. I was gonna get it just for those cutscenes, but I heard that the gameplay is awful. I'm like, meh. Did you know that the Saiyans are all named after vegetables? Did you know that? All of them. Kakarot obviously is for carrot. Vegeta is for vegetables. And then there's Broly for broccoli. It's true, it's all that. pizza right now. I'd give anything for a pizza.
Send you all to
Should I?
the
Should I?
next
Should I?
world.
Raccoon! Ultra fighting! I remember when they fought in this anime.
Sorry about that. There were so many
Raccoon gets so trashed, all his clothes end up torn, and you can see his butt. Remember that? You get to see his butt. He had a humiliating loss. His butt was hanging out. Now it's Captain Ginyu. Ah, Frieza, but Frieza's male, I think.
You are talking about Frieza.
I never expected I'd be forced to show you my true power.
Okay, time to get started.
Man, I'm playing this makes me want to watch the Dragon Ball Z again.
What? I see. He's better than I thought.
But the thing is, I mean, in the 90s, we didn't have cable television here in Malta. All we had was antennas on the roof. And because we are so close to Italy, we used to get a lot of Italian TV. And I watched Dragon Ball all in Italian back in my day. So for me, like certain things, certain names, especially certain names, I know them, like with the Italian pronunciation, like Captain Ginyu. I knew him as Ginyu. That's what they call him, Ginyu. You know what? I'm gonna go Kaioken because I can. Oh, alright. Yes, I can.
$180,000? That's impossible! This is your true power?
This cutscene ruined my Kamehameha. You know this? Oh, nice. So yeah, I'll wake up at 5 AM if I have to this morning to play the Z Fighter beta. Frieza's Mewtwo's brother. Or Mewtwo's dad. I like that. He's got a budget. Yeah, I know. This game doesn't have online feature, because back when this game came out, No. When this game came out, PS3 was still in its baby stages, so...
I love Frieza's Japanese voice actor.
Hi, Vlog. I like, he's trashing me. Ginyu's trashing me. I need to be careful. Looking at chat, taking him lightly. He's dodging the attacks. No, he's gonna win. He's dodging. He's blocking all my attacks. Ooh, so close! I think I'm gonna win! Nice! I didn't expect that. Nice. I hate Goku's Japanese voice. Kakaroto! I think it's voiced by a woman.
You're far stronger than even me. It's really amazing.
Why are you laughing?
You have a strong body, far stronger than
I hope that's a
even the
Kappa
captain
V4.
of the
I hope that's a
Ginyu
Kappa.
Force.
What? And why are you laughing?
He's gonna do change now!
Because I like it. I like that strong body of yours.
I like that strong body of
like
yours.
it?
That's what they always say, the ladies. My ladies, they say, I like that strong body of yours. I like how Ginyu takes over Goku's body here, but he still has to wear a scouter. Hey, Nikki! I was just talking about you! How are you, Nikki? I was just talking about you. I think it was an hour ago. Hey, Magnum! Welcome! Welcome to the stream. I was gonna play some Dragon Ball FighterZ beta, but sorry, hold on, because whenever I'm streaming, Windows wants to update. Oh, I'm sorry to hear, Nikki. The plan was to play some FighterZ beta, but it's not open yet, so I'm playing this instead. Womp womp, next best thing. I love how Whis is so so refreshing. Alright, so let's go. Oh, Mr. Lord Beerus. I should do the characters. I should do, you know, the Dragon Ball Abridged? I should do that. Gohan, defeat your dad. I love this. I love when Ginyu takes over. Even his grin, you can tell that it's no longer Goku. I love that. Nikki, you and I should play some Minecraft on the PS4. We should play some Minecraft on the PS4. And you should add me, by the way.
Huh?
What's up with that? You still haven't
You're not
added
my
me.
dad.
What's up with that? I thought you loved me.
Right. I'm the captain of the Ginyu Force. Captain Ginyu.
What?
Ooh, I'm trashing him. Look at that! He got stun locked! Look at that! Can I keep this up all the way? Oh my goodness, he got stun locked. Let's see if I can get this up. Oh my goodness, what a glitch. Look at that! But I'm barely doing any damage. Let's see if I can get this up. It's gonna take forever though. Look at the damage I'm doing. It's microscopic. Look at that! I'm getting tired though, spamming. Oh.
Krillin, go on. Listen carefully. That's not me.
It's gonna ruin the
He took my body.
the stun lock now, I think. It's gonna ruin the cutscene's gonna ruin it. I'm gonna keep trying though.
Please. You can't
Let's
afford
see if
to
I can keep this up.
lose.
Let's try again.
You hear me? Give him everything you've got.
No, it's messing it up now. Yeah, it's messed up. That's okay. Power up. Yeah, he's blocking now. Ooh, I think it's not working now.
I took his body after all. I'm far stronger now.
Nice.
Open up your key.
I should do this actually. Nice. I was gonna do a Masenko.
Full power!
Well, that's good enough. It's trying to do Masenko.
That was pathetic. Do you really think that'll work on me?
Curses!
I love it. Instead of cursing, they say curses.
That body.
It's like burping. Instead of burping, you say burp.
Surrender? You want Captain Ginyu to surrender?
Instead of coughing, you say cough, cough, cough.
Ridiculous!
Fart. Alright, now what? Goku's Ginyu and Ginyu's Goku. Let's do this. Got the balls. Balls.
Goku, there's something weird about you. You just seem, you know, different. And, hey, why are you wearing one of their, scouter thingies?
Wanna know why? Sora, Sora, Sora! I'm the captain of the Ginyu Force! Captain Ginyu!
Need to be careful. Okay.
You're this.
I love the Destructo Disc. I don't think you can block the Destructo Disc if I'm not mistaken. Crap. Let's try again. Nice. That's what I wanted to do.
Krillin, go on. Listen carefully. That's not me. It's Ginyu. He took my body. Attack him. Don't hold back. Please. You can't afford to lose. You hear me? Give him everything you've got.
Oh, that's a lot of damage. Let's try the lot of damage again. I'm gonna wait till I power up though. Oh, did you just block me? You know what, I haven't played in a while. I'm gonna play it again, but it has to be late at night. What was that game called? Of the fairy tales. Of that of the fairy tale characters. You know, Big B, Big Bad Wolf. What's the game called? I forgot! I love playing that game. It's very adult themed, but... come on, come get it. Oh, he blocked it. Alright, let's try again. The Wolf Among Us. My goodness, I couldn't remember the name. Yes, The Wolf Among Us. Thank you, Chip. I need to play that game again. That was awesome. That game was awesome.
I took his body, after all. I'm far stronger now. Here we go. What?
Nice. Destructo Disc. No, it's not the beta. EJU boo. It's not the beta. I was planning on streaming the beta, but it's not open yet. I downloaded it. It's there, but I couldn't. So I'm like, you know what? Let's play some of this. This is Burst Limit. It looks really good, doesn't it?
Surrender.
But no, it's not it.
Surrender? You want Captain
I'm playing the
Ginyu to
Batman Telltale game, but
surrender?
how is it? Did you like it? I started
Ridiculous.
it, but I never finished it. What did you think? I feel like all the Telltale games are the same, to be honest with you. I think the Telltale formula got really old. You should play Ghost. You know, it's funny you said that, Cheer. I own those games. I actually own those games, but I never finished. I really should. Yeah, I got the beta. I downloaded it, but it just kept saying it's not open yet, kind of. I don't have access yet. I downloaded it. It's on my PS4, but it wasn't working. And I started the stream, and I'm like, I cannot. Hey, Cammy. But I'm like, I'm not gonna end the stream. I just started, so I'm playing some of this instead. I think it's gonna open in a couple of hours, so I'll do another stream later. I think I'll have to set my alarm at 5 AM. I'll do that, and I'll battle some of you guys if you want to get the beta. If we can fight each other, I don't know. We'll see. We shall see. But yeah, I want to play Ghosts and Goblins. I have the Ghosts and Goblins on the NES. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. How do I call you? EJU? I'm gonna get EJ. Or Boo. I'll just call you Boo. Thank you so much. Yeah, let's just call it the warm-up stream. The warm-up for the beta.
So they still haven't dealt with Ginyu.
So maybe we can fight, Toby. Maybe we can fight later.
Hey, you. Thank you for subscribing to VloggyBuddy.
Right.
Hey, thank you for subscribing! That is the awesome voice. That is the awesome voice I got from the guy that does the Honest Traders. I told him, do you mind making me some notifications for my YouTube channel? He's like, sure, and he recorded them for me. How awesome is that? Yeah, you'll be able to download it right now, but if you didn't pre-order the game, you'll have to wait a couple of hours. Because so far it's just the people who pre-ordered get to play it right away. I was gonna pre-order it and then cancel the pre-order. I was gonna do that, but I don't feel like cheating. I was gonna do that. Because I did that with Resident Evil 4. I pre-ordered it on the PlayStation because I had no idea. I had no idea it was gonna come out on a physical copy. So I pre-ordered it on the store, and then I was walking around, you know, checking out video games in the store. And I see that they released the physical copy of the RE4. I'm like, whoa, dude! So I bought the game and I cancelled the pre-order. I contacted PlayStation Network and I told, listen, I got the physical copy. Can I just cancel the pre-order? They're like, okay. I'm in the trash right now. I pre-ordered the physical copy, but I don't get the code or whatever, the access for that. It has to be a digital pre-order. It's not fair. But I'm against digital copies. If I can get a physical copy, I'll always go for a physical copy. Always, if I can.
Enough messing around. Remember this.
I like to hold something in my hand when I make a purchase, like the actual thing. Oh wow, seriously dude? Seriously Ginyu? Ooh wow, set me back to the ground. Nice. Yeah, physical is always, and even if you decide to sell it, I rarely decide to sell games, rarely. Even if you decide to sell it, you have something you can sell, you know? Companies don't want you to sell your games, they want people to buy a fresh copy, not circulate the same copies, you know what I mean?
If I make it, I can...
So, I don't know. To be honest with you, I was looking at my shelf of games and I'm like, maybe I can sell a couple of these. And I put Star Wars Battlefront for sale. I put it online, like I want to sell it. And I also put Marvel vs. Capcom for sale as well. I just bought that this summer. And I'm like, I'm gonna sell them. I'm not gonna play them again. But then after putting them on sale, I'm like, what if I want to play them again? So I took them down again. I'm not really good at selling games. I like to hold on to my games. A wild Frieza appears. This is it. Somebody said this was a female character. It's a male. It's a male! I was actually thinking of hooking up my Wii today and play some Super Mario.
Now you've done it, you fools. This is a first, after all the idiots who tried to make a fool out of me. I never thought it would wind up like this. Unforgivable. I will never forgive you, you insect. I'm going to kill you all, slowly. Prepare yourself.
The thing is, I'm playing as Vegeta right now. I'm gonna trash, I think. I'm gonna trash Frieza. But the thing is, in the story, I'm gonna lose. So there's gonna be a cutscene I have to die.
Remember just how terrible I am.
What?
Time to die. Here. How long did you last?
That's all you got?
Learn your place. Whenever you're
I'm ready. Ooh, nice. Nice. That was a good dodge.
Over here!
I'm getting tired of this every single time. That means I'm getting a good shot every single time this happens. I'm hitting him full blast.
What?
All Vegeta's saying right now is what? There we go.
Transform, Frieza! I want to see your true form!
Yeah, I ran out of Blaster Bros, so I'm trying to be the Pokemon with my hands.
You know about that? I'm most impressed. Very well. If you want to die that badly, I'll show you.
I forgot. Did this happen in the anime? Did he transform in front of Vegeta? I forgot. So is this gonna be like Vegeta's second form? Yeah. There it is. Vegeta. I said Vegeta. I mean Frieza's second form. It's a good looking game, isn't it? For a very old title. When did this come out? Doesn't say. At least it doesn't say so on the box anyway.
Watch very carefully. Few have ever witnessed.
One of his forms changes his voice. I don't know which one.
Understand this. In this form, I won't be as nice as I was before.
Oh, 6 or 7.
Gonna kill us.
All right, let's do this. I'm gonna lose. But he's slow. He's big in size, but he's slow now. Can I get this up?
Time to die.
Die, you monkey! This is a very short range attack. That's a psycho. It's a very short range attack. You need to be very close.
The fun is just beginning. What? I'll never forget. Time to die. Disappear. What?
Okay. He has a lot of health, huh? Uh-oh. Nice.
Darn you!
He ruined my attack. Ooh!
Take this! What?
Don't get cocky, buddy. Alright, cocky buddy. Anyway, Nikki, I was just saying earlier, I haven't seen any of your streams lately. I don't know if I've been missing your streams or you haven't been streaming. Anyway, we miss you.
Too bad for you. You've managed to make me angry.
Ah, now they've suited up. Alright, now they suited up with the uniform. So I think even Gohan suited up now after this.
Why is he? Awesome. He should at least be seriously injured. So why?
I'm gonna get trashed. I don't have enough health. He has way more health than I do. I'm gonna get trashed. He's blocking my attacks. You know what? You're gonna block this one. Oh, I mean this one. Told you. Nice. I'm wrecking Frieza right now. I'm gonna keep it up though. Oh wow, did you see that? He reacted to my attack. You're getting strong, Frieza. You're getting strong, Frieza. Come on, come on, come on. And it ruins my attack again. These cutscenes ruin my attacks. You see? Look at that. It's gone now. Let's try again. And ooh, nice! Yes, Trunks is in this one as well. Yeah.
Solar flare!
My eyes!
Vegeta, now! Attack now!
And now I'm gonna play as Vegeta. My Nightbot is actually switched off. Sorry. Let me enable Nightbot. It's been a while since I enabled Nightbot. Nightbot, I summon you the fourth, or whatever. How do you say that? I summon the fourth. Nightbot. Let me activate Nightbot, because I missed Nightbot. It's been a while. He was in timeout. You know what I haven't done in a while? A music stream. Join the channel. Alright, should be active. It should be active now. No, I didn't ban him. No, no, no. That's you. Wake up. Let's see if it works now. Is he up? Nightbot, I summon you. Oh, did it? Oh, interesting. There we go. Toby knows what's up. He should be on now, but it takes a while for Nightbot to wake up, I think.
So that's Frieza, huh? I see. We're dealing with a real monster this time.
I thought we'd wiped out all of the Namex.
There we go. He's up.
But you're different from the rest. You're not just another weakling. Of course, that doesn't mean that you're a match for me.
Now, time to take out the space trash.
Time to take out the space trash.
You maggot!
I like Xenoverse, but I think this, I prefer this more. It's more of a fighter game. Oh. He doesn't power up? Okay, I guess. The thing is, as much as I like Xenoverse wasn't like canon. You know, and I don't know. I don't like it. I mean, not even FighterZ is going to be canon actually, so not even that one's going to be. Hey, Red! Hello, Red one. How are you, Red? Are you still streaming on Mixer? I haven't been on Mixer. Maybe I'll do my next. Maybe I'll do my next Minecraft stream on Mixer. I don't know. Maybe I'll do that. We'll see how that goes. But I'm not really good at multi-streaming. I don't feel like doing that. Wow, like trash Frieza. Yeah, now I decided I want to finish this game. I stop streaming due to certain things happening. Yeah, it gets in the way, doesn't it? Yeah, it does get in the way.
I'll show you the rage of all the Namex you killed!
You seem to have misunderstood me. Do you think that was my full power?
What?
My power increases greatly each time I transform. And I can still transform 2 more times.
What did you say?
Let me show you. Consider yourself honored. You will be the first to witness this form.
S. S. This game is S. It's not ass, actually. This game is not ass. It's good. It's one of my favorite ones.
No!
That is a very good question, Vince.
Sorry to keep you waiting. Now then, shall we begin round 2?
He sounds different now. I think this is the transformation that changes his voice.
Monster!
Yeah, this is an ugly This is an ugly form.
You are the one.
Yeah, the head is huge. Another big bold head. Why am I playing as the bad guy? It's not my choice.
You're still here?
You're still here?
I will crush you.
Why are you doing the taunt, huh?
Sorry.
Haha, I ruined his attack.
Over here!
Witness the power! Did I get him? Oh, he regenerated. This transformation doesn't last long.
Sorry.
Come on, just fight. My nose is itchy right now, but there's no time to scratch my nose. Alright, I scratched my nose. What's going on here? Nicely done. Nicely done.
Even if you're more powerful, I'm faster! You'll never keep up with me! What? No, impossible!
Well, it's been some time since I had to show some speed. Isn't it time you just gave up?
I think he kills him, if I remember correctly. Hey, Inferno's here. Impossible! Impossible, Kakaroto! How are you, Inferno? Man, this stream is a semi-fail. Because the beta for the new Dragon Ball game just got released, but it was released on the store to be downloaded, but when I connected it says you don't have access to the online feature yet. I'm like, womp womp. And so yeah, I started streaming. Toby's making fun of you. Why? Why? Because... Anyway. Anyway, so what was I saying? So yeah, I started the stream not realizing that I didn't have access to the demo, basically to the beta, so I'm playing this instead. Still a good game. Still have a big bald head. You're not bald. Well, it's been a while since I last saw it. I don't know what happened since then. Alright. The power of Frieza! Now I'm Kid Gohan. You ever watched Dragon Ball? Have you, Inferno? I don't think you have. Random episodes. No, I'm not gonna catch the story from random episodes though. It's a very good story. Because like this, like even just watching this scene for example, you don't know what's going on, who's this guy, why are they here, why are they fighting? Oh, am I doing this again? Am I doing this again? Is this happening again? It's happening. It's happening. Oh, he started blocking. And he stopped blocking. Oh, it's happening. He's got stun locked. Look at that. Oh man. Oh, can I keep this up? I don't think so. Look at that! Oh my god. Okay. Let's step it up.
Whenever you're ready.
I think it's personally, Red. I know what you're trying to say, but personally, I think that there is very good skill, and I think of it as art. If you're capable of telling a story, a half-an-hour story, you can tell it in 10 episodes. You know, that is very good skill, personally, I think. You know, and I admire that. If you can stretch a half-an-hour story in 10 episodes, you know, that's very good skill. Without having the audience bored, basically. And Dragon Ball was very good at that. This time they're not trying to find the Dragon Balls right now. Right now, what's going on here? Because they're not trying to find the Dragon Balls, but this evil overlord, Frieza, is trying to get the Dragon Balls himself, so he can wish for immortality, and nothing can stand in his way of destruction and taking over the universe. They're trying to stop him. They're not trying to get the Dragon Balls, really. Well, I mean, Vegeta has his own agenda, really, trying to get them on for himself, but
I can't tell you how
basically they're trying to stop him. And Vegeta's here helping because the enemy of my enemy is my friend. That's it. Because right now, Vegeta's not on their side.
My final transformation! My true form!
And it's funny how he calls this his final transformation. Then we learned that there was another one. Anyway, I started watching Black Mirror this week. It's so good. I'm so late to the party, but it's so good. There's no Goku and blue hair in this one. Not yet, but he's gonna get yellow hair. He still doesn't have yellow hair yet, but he's gonna get yellow hair.
Frieza's power level is... So
oh, he did? That's nice.
What
happened with me is Netflix pulled a prank on me. Let me just watch the cutscene and I'll tell you.
Like you never seen.
Keep laughing while you can.
Because I am the thing you fear most. I am a Super Saiyan.
Ever the Joker, Vegeta.
So basically, I got the advert for Black Mirror on Netflix. Like, new episodes, blah blah blah. I'm like, okay, never watched this, I want to give it a try. And I clicked start watching, and I thought I was watching the pilot. But no, I was watching season 4, episode 1, and I loved it. It happens to be that they have every episode is their own story basically, so it's not something that continues. It's a separate story every single time. But I watched the first 2, and I thought I was watching season 1, and then I realized I was watching season 4. But it's okay. It's okay. I mean, I'm not messing up the story anyway. Because there's no story really. I watched, which one did you watch? Did you watch season 1? Yesterday I watched the first episode of season 1. After watching 2 of season 3. But they're good, they're really good, I loved it. Did he just block it? And for a second I forgot I was Frieza, I thought I was the same.
Really my limit. No, that can't be right. I am a Super
No, you're not, Vegeta. Sorry, you're not. No, I don't think so.
Enjoy the show. Over here.
He got me. No, he got me.
Take that. Over here. Take this.
You know what? Yes, I'm gonna get it. No! Not again! You're impressed. So you watched the one with the pig, right? You watched the one with the pig. Alright? I liked the one with the pig. It was really intense. I loved it.
Enjoy the show. Over here.
There we go. No, the episodes, every single episode is kind of pointless, basically.
No.
I think it's my turn now.
The question, yeah, would you? Would you? I don't think I would. I don't think I would, because somebody who would make such request is not gonna honor his... You know, do you really think they would really release her? Would you really think they would release the princess? If the guy making the ransom, like, makes such a request? You know, he's not right in the head. So I wouldn't believe he would honor the... Yeah, that's the thing. That's the thing. I would... If I was the Prime Minister, was it a Prime Minister? If I was the Prime Minister, I would think he's not gonna honor a request even after me doing what I have to do. He wouldn't honor the request, he would kill her anyway. So, personally, I wouldn't do it. I wouldn't think it would save the life. In fact, she was released 30 minutes before I actually had to do all that. It was just to prove a point. You see? He wasn't right in the head. Somebody who makes... That was just me. Really, you would? You would? How much he threw up afterwards, poor guy. It was a good one. I liked that. I watched that yesterday. I liked Black Mirror. I really did like Black Mirror. Now it gets interesting. This is where Dragon Ball gets interesting. And it gets kind of emotional as well. Hey, Dylan Bellucci, welcome! Nice to see you.
You're Frieza, huh? You're a whole lot shorter than I expected.
Is what Inferno would say to Vloggy.
I am going to exterminate every last Saiyan. You're a fool. You should cower before me.
Maybe. I may be a Saiyan, but I'm from Earth! For all the countless Saiyans you've destroyed, and for all of the harmless, peaceful Namekians, I will defeat you!
There's another inaccuracy in this game right now. I think Krillin chops off Frieza's tail. Come on!
Please give me some of your energy!
Did he just block my spirit bomb? I think he did. Need some distance. And Kaioken. So there's no way I'm gonna defeat him if I don't power up now. Come on.
Please give me some of your energy!
You see, that's how it's done. That felt like it hurts. No! And yeah, guys, by the way, if I react before something happens in the game, it's because there's a delay on the capture card. And it's not because it's a crap cheap capture card, it's a decent capture card, but I don't know, they have a delay with the capture. I hate that, but... No, I can't do the power attack.
How very fun. It really has been a long time since I had such a workout.
Faster.
I'll have to risk using the Kaioken times 20!
No. Uh-oh. No! He caught me while I was tired. I think it's my first loss, I think, in the game. Was it my first loss? Feels like. No, second loss. Bouncy balls, bouncy balls. I'm gonna skip the cutscene.
So you're
Oh, come on.
Give me some of your energy!
Nice. Oh wow, did you see that? Ah, you missed. One power up. I die again, I'm switching to easy now. Welcome back here. Something tells me you want to get food. I want to know what food you had. Come on, you had food. I'm sure you had food. I smell food. I should defrost some fish. I'll cook some fish later.
How very fun. It really has been a long time since I had such a workout.
No! You're making me angry, Frieza. You're making me angry! And flashing me.
Please give me some of your energy!
Ah, there you go, ramen.
I'll have to risk using the Kaioken times 20!
I remember King Kai. I'm already down to last health bar. It's not gonna do this. It's not gonna work. The thing is, I remember King Kai telling me to stay away from using Kaioken times so much because no.
Please give me some of your energy!
Because his body might not be able to handle it. He's gonna block it.
Too slow.
Ah man, I'm switching back to easy. Not back, switching to easy. I'm getting ripped. Yeah, I'm getting ripped. That's very easy as well. I'm gonna go with easy.
So you're free.
I think I'm gonna feel it fast now. That feels very easy actually. He's getting bored. You know what? Time to pull off my move. He's getting close to me. Get some distance. I need to get some distance. Now.
Please give me some of your energy!
There we go.
Time to die.
Ooh, that was awesome. Good one.
How
Well done,
very
Fredo.
fun. It really has been a long time since I had such a workout.
Please give me some of your energy!
Whoa! Did I blow up the planet? Did you see that? It looked like I did.
Time to die.
Well, the planet is about to blow up anyway. Enough fooling around.
Please give me some of your energy!
Bye. Blocked it? I'm not gonna block this though. There we go.
That hurt. It hurt!
If I don't defeat Frieza now, the entire universe will be in danger. I have to use the Spirit Bomb.
What is that?
Planet Namek, and all planets nearby. Share your energy with me. Just a little is all I need.
That's enough! I'll reduce this planet and all of you to space dust! Die!
It's ready!
Actually, in the anime, all this took like 3 episodes.
What is that? No! No! It can't be!
Is it GG? Is it GG? It's not. Let's go back to normal. We'll see if I can handle this.
No. No way! It's Frieza!
Incredible. I really thought I was going to die. Frieza was brought to the brink of death.
I love this part.
Krillin! Stop it! Frieza! Goku! No. You monster! How dare you? How dare you!
What is this?
You just keep killing innocent people, one after another. Even Krillin. I'm truly angry!
Alright, here we go.
Sorry to keep you waiting. I'm at full power, as requested.
He's blocking all my attacks. Alright, there we go. There we go. There we go. Come on. Come on. I'm gonna try my best not to get warped. He's blocking everything. Alright. Oops, looks like he didn't block that one.
Time to die.
Ooh, he dodged this. Wow. Alright, that's a good fight.
Darn you! If I don't hit you, just what? What? that earthling.
Just like that earthling? That earthling's name.
Whoa!
You can destroy a planet, but it seems you can't even destroy a single man.
What are you?
You already know, don't you? I am a Saiyan, raised on Earth, who came here to defeat you. Though my heart is at peace, a fierce rage has awakened the legendary warrior inside of me. I am Son Goku.
I don't think I ever heard Goku referring to himself as Son Goku. I don't know. Could be wrong. Come on. Let's go. Keep blocked most of it. Exactly, that's what I thought, you see? I knew that. He's gonna dodge it. Oh, I got him! I got him! I love this part when he gets cut in half.
Please,
It's not gonna happen in this one though.
save me. Save me.
You got some nerve, Frieza. How many people have you killed who begged for their lives just like you're doing now?
Please, save me.
I'll give you a little bit of my energy. After that, do as you please.
I am the strongest in the universe. I am mighty, and you are not. And that monkey. That's why. I will never, ever lose to you.
You should play Sensei. I never heard of it.
Going back, 白の夕日は
Hey Midna, I just finished the Frieza saga. Oh, Chaozu. That tongue action. Mickey. Oh. Now I'll always remember of that Ali G with the boats. What are they called? I forgot. I already forgot what they're called. Oh man, I'm sure Inferno knows what I'm talking about. You know that Ali G scene when he's trying to impress the girl at the party and he gets those little boat things, those appetizers. No, it's not Bruno. He gets those little appetizers things and he tries to impress the lady with his skills. Have you ever seen that? Oh, you know. Dada, hello. Welcome, Dodo. Ali G in the house. That's right. That's the one. What are those called? Those boats? This is a good cutscene, I love it. And the animation looks really great. No, I didn't finish the game yet. No, cheer. No. My next, not my next stream, but I'm gonna finish it up. I'm gonna finish up Pokemon probably next week now. I'm playing the same game over and over and over on my channel. I like to vary. There's some Dragon Ball, some Resident Evil, some Pokemon, some Minecraft. I like to mix it up. I don't like playing like streaming the six times the same game over and over again. I don't like doing that. I like to vary. So yeah, I finished. I didn't beat the game chair. No, I just beat the Frieza saga. But now there's another saga, the Cell saga. I don't feel like playing Left 4 Dead, to be honest with you. I don't feel like playing Left 4 Dead. And I think later I'm gonna get access to FighterZ. So I want to beat some guys online and girls. Bonus chapter. Bonus chapter. What? What did I just get? I need to play Silent Hill. Definitely. Yes, I'm definitely playing Goku's Family Training. What's this? What's all this? No. I've never seen this before. What's this? Goku's Family Training. I want to check this out. Bonus. I have no idea what this is. This is completely blind, I think. I don't know what this is. Oh, okay. Never mind. Oh, okay. Never mind. It wasn't blind. It wasn't a game. It was just... Alright. Play scary game. I'm gonna be playing scary games very soon. Yeah, something tells me Friday I'm going to beat a new game in one day. What, the Digimon game? I want to check you out playing that. Now the androids are coming. The androids are coming from the... They were sent... No, they weren't sent from the future. They were just sent, the androids. And they're training. They're training to fight the androids.
We don't have a whole lot of time before those androids show up. Gohan, from here on out, we have to concentrate on training for real combat.
Okay, Dad.
I like Gohan's hair here. Don't worry guys, they're just training. Oh, Toby, yes. I'm looking forward to play this together, you and me later.
Being a Super Saiyan should come naturally now. Now, show me what you can do.
Right.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Here.
Take this! Take this!
Time to Kaioken against my son.
It ends here and now.
I think when I'll stream it, I'll make like open. Oh, I mean, I cannot just make an open invitation for everyone. I can't just add everyone. But yeah. Ooh, wow.
I don't even need to dodge this one.
Is that all you got?
Are you buying the game, FighterZ, Toby? You blocked everything. You know what I'm gonna do, Gohan? I can't Super Saiyan? Oh, I guess I can't. Also, Friday's Cheer's birthday. Cheer! You're getting old, Cheer!
Take this! Take this!
I destroyed Gohan.
Gohan, are you alright?
Oh. Yeah, I'm fine. I can still fight.
Don't push too hard, son. We may not have a lot of time, but don't worry. You're going to become a lot stronger.
Okay, Dad.
Training's over? Yep. S. So the androids showed up? Is that it? Yeah. It's number 18.
Understand, I won't go easy on you just because you're a woman. Then again, you aren't a woman. You're an android.
What I say when your app crashed? I don't know what I said. I say so many things.
I can't tell whether I've even damaged.
I said Cheer is getting old.
This one's mine. This one's mine.
I'll ask you if you're getting the game. Are you gonna get the FighterZ?
This one's mine.
I love 18.
This one is mine.
No. Let's do this again. Ooh! Dodged it.
This one is mine. This one is mine.
Wow.
This one is mine. one's mine. This one's mine. Over here.
If you really want to run away,
It's
go
gonna be
ahead.
good training for me for when I get the game, so.
I'm not interested.
And the beta's only open for this weekend, so I have my only chances to play it in the morning, early in the morning.
Don't make me laugh. This is the part where I finish you all off once and for all. Oh, why would I need to run away?
This one is mine. This
Come on.
one's mine.
Come on, Vegeta.
This one is mine.
Vegeta's getting annoyed.
Remember this!
This one's mine.
There we go.
Hey, yo!
If it's anything like this, I'm happy. Honestly. If it's anything like this, I'm happy. Because this is a very good game. The things that are missing from this game is the Boo Saga, obviously super characters and power-ups and
Boring.
stuff from the super. Online. If we get all those, I'm happy. And if it's anything like this. And from what I've seen, it does look a lot like this, so. Alright, now 17's getting in the way.
Trunks! That fool! Turn!
Who are you, little?
Come on already.
Too late!
Alright, get closer. No problem, Victor, no problem. Need to get closer. No, 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 no! This barb doesn't work. Trying, but it's like it doesn't do it much damage. Look at that, you just put them in front of him and that's it, he didn't even throw him. Oh, oops, whatever, man. He's just happy with the way they look, he's just showing them off. I barely hit him. Oh. I can't believe I managed to stop that. Ooh, nice.
Well, it seems you've become much stronger than Dr. Giroux's data indicates.
Little.
No, 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 no! Ah, so cheap. He's gonna get some health back, I think. That's not fair!
Take this!
Nice. I was worried for a sec, huh? Okay.
Don't worry. They're all still alive. Tell them if they actually manage to become strong enough, I'll be happy to fight them again. Later. 16, what are you looking at?
The birds. They flew away because you were fighting.
I didn't know even androids could be weirdos.
The birds. They fly away because they were fighting.
I'm gonna go take some tuna out of my freezer because I need to eat later, so I'm gonna defrost something. Be right back.
The bird. It pooped and flew away.
There we go. Alright, there we go.
His name is Cell.
Even Cell's voice changes. 3 times it changes, actually. His voice is like, I am Cell. I think Piccolo's the first one to fight Cell, if I remember correctly from the anime. Let's see if I'm correct. Yeah.
No! So you've finally shown yourself.
Ah, but you see, you and I are brothers. Does the great King Piccolo wish to kill me?
For some reason, you know the name Piccolo. But unfortunately, you've got the wrong man.
Yes, it is, Toby.
What?
I'm your Piccolo. I'm a Namek who has forgotten his true name.
I'm Kamikolo! Alright, let's fight. Kara. Oh, I can't Kara.
Sorry.
Uh-oh.
Sorry.
Ah, nice one.
Sorry.
Nice.
Sorry.
Did he dodge it? I don't know. It's not an attack.
Tell me, why have you come from the future?
Allow me to explain. You see, in order to achieve my perfect form, I must first fuse with 2 special life forms. And according to my creator, Dr. Giroux's computer, they are my dear brother and sister, androids number 17 and 18.
Freak. I can't let you achieve your perfect form.
Come here!
Is that all? Certainly.
Look at that. Oh, nice.
Just remember, you don't stand a chance of winning in your current form.
Well, it appears I'd best leave this place. However, not before I take 17 and 18 with me. Not you, not anyone, will ever stop me from attaining my perfect form, Piccolo! Those androids may be capable fighters, but you, Piccolo, are all alone.
What?
No left there!
Darn it! What? I was careless! Darn it! I should have just destroyed him!
I love playing with the balls. I mean the Dragon Balls.
You won't defeat me so
And the loading
easily
screen.
this time.
Why is it so hard for you to understand that you can't possibly win?
What?
I haven't started yet.
Nowhere to run!
Get off!
Nowhere to run! Shatter!
Nice.
Go time!
Nice. Pant, pant, pant.
Even if we're well matched in terms of power, it looks like stamina is another matter entirely. My energy never runs out.
No! Cell! Darn it! I was too busy fighting to realize he was approaching.
What? What the heck is that?
Whoa! Cheer! That was a good win. That was a good win. Say goodbye, 17. Balls, 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 balls.
surprise attack? Don't make me laugh.
You should be pleased, brother. You're going to become part of my body. You'll take part in the birth of the ultimate perfect life form, Perfect Cell!
Let me see if I can remember how to absorb health. So that's a solo here. What about this? It's a Kamehameha. Okay. Enough. What about this?
Is that all you got?
There we go. Oh, I failed. Alright, I'll try again. Once.
What?
There we go. I drained his health and I increased my health. That's awesome. Let me try again. It's hard to make it work though. Try again. Ah, it's so hard to get it to work. No, I tried, but it's hard to get it to work. Oh, he defended me.
Take this. Go time.
No. Let's try this again. It's hard. Oh no, no.
Special finish KO.
Crap.
Go time.
So as I was saying earlier, I do have Ghosts and Goblins. I have the one on the NES. I would love to play that. And I have the one on the PSP. I never finished it either. Yes! Yes! This is awesome. No! This is my back. This is not good. I don't like that. Come on, come on, more energy. Yes. There we go. I get more health like that. Uh oh.
What?
Come on, we're there. Oops, oops, I got this. I love it. Nice. That was awesome. That's how I killed him, by draining all his energy.
Get out of here!
I guess I've become just too strong. See you around!
There's another one here. 7, 8. Let's do this one.
Well, you do have Saiyan blood in you. I suppose you'll do for a warm-up. Come on, then. But if you hold back even a little bit, I will kill you! Prepare yourself!
What? Oh, right.
Over here!
Ah, nice.
Over here!
Some trunks action. Alright, so I need to get close as well with the sword.
Darn it!
Is that really your limit? Over here!
Let's try this again. That was awesome. No, I didn't get it. Oh, I missed. Crap.
Prepare yourself! Just don't give up!
I haven't gotten that far, nobody. So
Here I go.
what the heck? He trashed me! No! No way! I got cocky. That's what happened. I got cocky.
Well, you do have say.
Let's face it, it's very hard to tell them apart right now. No! Come on, I can't miss this. Come on, do it! Do it now! Yes! One more hit, one more hit. Don't get cocky, buddy. Cocky, buddy. No, 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 no. Look at him now, he's panicking, he's panicking. Look at that. Oh my goodness, are you freaking kidding me? Rip.
You're better than I thought. But you're still not good enough. Trunks, time to continue your training.
Yeah, he was doing that, Toby, I noticed. He was panicking.
Oh, right.
So yeah.
Now it's number 16's last stand. The birds.
Have you seen the part when have you seen Dragon Ball Abridged? The funny version of Dragon Ball when he meets when Android 16 meets Goku for the first time. He sings, "I've been waiting all my life. Please don't tell me, baby."
The time has come to fight before I meet Goku.
I love this part.
He's falling from butter.
There was no energy to drain because he's fully a machine. is, he's very slow, this guy.
I've been waiting all my life.
Darn you!
Please don't tell me, baby.
Look how slow he walks. Oh man, I need to be close to do that power up. No man, this might be hard.
Yes, I like birds.
Let's try again. Yes. Oh, that was awesome. That was awesome. I've done that before.
No.
That was awesome. Him walking slowly. Oh, so enough here. Come on, you're human. You're not human. I mean, he shouldn't affect you. You don't have eyes. No, stop.
This is for the animals. I've been waiting all night.
Oh, it says Dragon Ball on the plane. Did you see that?
I'll show my power.
I will show you my power.
Come on. No. It's hard to hold. Come on, stop shooting! What the heck? That's not really good. Get hit, so he's... Yes! Get him in the nuts. Nice, he's dead. Rip.
I must exterminate Goku.
Ultimate finish KO!
What? Why are you here? 18, I told you to run away. I caused serious damage to him, but it was not enough to kill him.
That's a lot of damage.
You must run away. Now!
Not a chance. You think I'm gonna turn and run? You've gotta be joking. You damaged him. Now I'm gonna finish him off. Come on out! What?
I got a Z.
Oh, I love this. Come closer, boss. I want to make a wish. I want to make a wish.
Sorry, Chaozu. I might die here.
Oh yeah, he already consumed the first dance, right? You see he changed form now.
Don't underestimate me.
Can I go up? No, no far up. No far up, okay.
Be gone!
Oh, wow, he blocked it. Uh-oh, here it comes.
Alright then. Interesting.
Uh-oh, I need to be careful. Oh man.
I'm not finished yet!
Oh, what? What the heck? Just one hit. Alright. Going on easy now.
Sorry, Chao Tzu. I might die here.
That's what I'm gonna do. That's what I'm gonna do now, Jim. I'm gonna go nuts.
Don't underestimate me.
Oh yeah! Oh yeah! For a second I forgot I switched it to easy now. I feel like this feels easier now. Well.
Alright then. Interesting.
Again.
Alright then. Interesting.
I'll show you my real power!
Come on! See, my outbreak win. The thing is, it really depends. Because if Dragon Ball FighterZ beta comes out, that's gonna get priority today. I was in the mood for some outbreak, to be honest with you. No, he's gonna regenerate his health again. No, that's not good. He blocked it. Come on, I can do this, I think. So be careful, don't get cocky now. No, no. He blocked it. No, no, no. No, 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 no! Oh, that was a close one. Check out my health. That was a close one. No, I don't have Dead by Daylight. That's already my thing. I don't really like it. Sorry. Oh, man. I remember this part. He keeps coming at him and he keeps doing blasts and sending him back.
You try me!
He keeps sending him back every single time. It was the only way to hold him off. He ends up making a giant hole in the ground. Yeah, it was almost rip. How are you, Jack, by the way? Pants, pants, pants. What, he was drained?
I can't believe that pathetic TN gave me so much trouble. I am Super Vegeta!
Oh, it's 8:30 PM here. Interesting. Interesting.
Cell, I'm going to pulverize you.
Oh, you really think you can?
Watch carefully, Cell. I'm going to wipe that ugly grin right off your hideous face. You're being sloppy, Cell. Remember this!
Come on!
Remember this! Remember this!
Nice.
So, you really want me to go all out, huh?
Anytime. I guess that's all you can do. It seems there's just too much of a gap between us.
I'm not in the mood here, I'm sorry. I'm not in the mood for Left 4 Dead. And to be honest, it's not something I would stream on my channel, actually, I think.
Remember this!
The thing is, I need to install it. First I need to install it. That's the thing. First I have to install it. And then I need to download the mods. I have to look for the mods and download them. I will play with you one of these days, but not tonight. Do you have the link where I can download the mods? Vloggy, yes, what?
That was disappointing. Don't know why I bothered. You seemed a worthy opponent, but I guess I was wrong.
I need to download the game first and install the mods. It's not gonna be tonight for sure.
Darn it!
I want the Resident Evil ones, all of them. I won't be streaming it though. I think it's a bit too much.
Perfect body. I could destroy him.
What was that? So if you had this perfect body, you think you wouldn't lose to me?
Yes, I could beat you, you punk! You wouldn't stand a chance.
Okay, fine. This sounds interesting. Go, get your perfect body and come back again.
He lets him go, and he gets really strong then. Z. The evolution of Cell.
I am the ultimate perfection.
After I'm done with this, I'm gonna hook up my PlayStation 4 again and check and check if maybe it's opened. I'm gonna keep checking all night. I'm gonna leave my PlayStation 4 on and I'm gonna keep checking every hour or so.
Just as I thought. Your perfect body is nothing to speak about.
Well, that was rude. Listen, would you be so kind as to help me warm up?
Sure. If you want to warm up, that'll put an end to your life.
Then let's go.
Take this! Die!
Nice. Nice.
Let's see if you've got the guts to stop this one!
What?
I really feel like playing Code Veronica. I haven't played Code Veronica in a while. I mean, I've never finished it, but I'm feeling it a lot. And I can't wait to play Resident Evil Revelation on the DS now.
Take this! Don't underestimate me! We Saiyans are a race of warriors!
We are this race! Elite race or something. One.
Take this! Take this! Don't destroy the earth!
Oh, he blocked it.
You have the courage to take this one!
Are you kidding me? I was dodging it! Alright, whatever. No, 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 no.
Big bang! Take this! Take this!
I want him up to just finish KO. Why not? Okay, Inferno. I just might do the same in about half an hour.
Still alive. But don't worry, I'll end your suffering now, Vegeta.
I'm going to kill you, Cell.
See you, Inferno. Take care. Thank you so much for hanging out, buddy. Beyond Super Saiyan.
Now you can fight without hesitation, right? Your daddy's out of the way.
Honestly, I'm surprised you let him go.
It's only natural. I'm not interested in him at all. Now your true power, on the other hand, interests me greatly.
and it's time you understood the power of my perfect form.
Let's go. I'm going to show you my true power.
Yeah, I remember, because Trunks was holding back to protect his father's pride, like, not to hurt his pride. How noble. Nah, this is PS3. This is one of the early titles of the PS3. Nice. Because originally this stream was supposed to be the FighterZ beta. I started playing. I started the stream, and then when I opened the game, it says I don't have access to the online yet. Apparently, I need to wait a couple of hours. So I decided to stream this instead. What? You're just standing there? So anyway, after this I'll check again. It's not open yet? Alright, disable the feature. It's not open yet. I don't know, maybe because my time is ahead of mine. Because it's gonna be tomorrow here. It's gonna be tomorrow here before over there. So I don't know, maybe I wish. Kamehameha. Let's finish him. Ouch. Alright, finish him. Have a great time.
You know I can't possibly win. Kill me.
What is Goku doing? Why isn't he?
Oh, because Goku had a heart attack or something, right?
Goku is training hard, so he can defeat you. He'll come to fight tomorrow. If you want Goku, don't worry. He'll come. I'm certain of it.
Very good answer. So I think I'll hold a tournament.
Tournament?
Oh yes. That's it. That's the look!
What?
It'll be a good way to kill some time.
This background image would make a great wallpaper, I just noticed. So the Cell games begin. What's this? Piccolo versus Piccolo. I honestly don't care about this one.
"16 in the background, all the birds flew away. I've been waiting all my life.
So, at long last,
Please don't tell me, baby."
your perfect form.
You're going to go first? And here I was, hoping to save the best for last. Come on! I think you've warmed up enough.
Alright, let's go. Sort of defeat me though, huh? In fact, he has more health than I do. Oh, nice, I wasted. Never mind. Now we use each other. No, he flashed me again.
This is how a battle should be! My true power shining through like a beacon!
No! He's dodging it. You son of a biscuit. Ooh! Nice. Alright, man, he's dodging attacks like crazy. Look at that, he's turning around every single time. He's trashing me. Look at that, he turns around every single time. I have another tactic though, don't worry. Nothing's working against him. He's blocking everything. Turning around. Yin! Whoa, man! I'm getting angry now. Look at that, he turns around every single time. I think it's the first time that hit him, but he's blocking it anyway. No, he's still defeating me. Ah! Every single time! No, I'm dead. I'm so dead. Oh, man! Not to mention it would have regenerated once I've drained some of his health. That's okay. We'll try again. And this time... easy. Easy.
So, at long last...
Wanna bet that now he's not gonna defend? He's gonna turn around whenever I do the attacks. Because it's uneasy now. He's still good. Alright. I like me a good challenge. But I think he's defending much less now. Come on, just skip these.
How a battle should be! My true power shining through like a beacon!
You know, I tried those games and I never got into them. I bought like the first 5. And I couldn't get past the first one. I couldn't get into the games. I don't know. I felt like they were very repetitive. Seriously? Really, it was easier? Oh, interesting. I don't know, I tried to start from the first one. I got like the first 5, first 4. Did you see that? I teleported behind, like, over here? That's nice. Come on, we can do this. But let's not let him regenerate. he's gonna turn around. Oh, come on. I'm not gonna die like this. No, 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 no! Oh my goodness! On easy mode. Try again. I'm gonna go on easy. I'm not gonna go on very easy as if. Let's try again. Strictly speaking, I'm supposed to get trashed.
So, at long last, your perfect form.
You're going to go first.
Let's try again. So Nikki, how are you enjoying your PS4? Let's play some Minecraft on the PS4 one of these days. Just for fun. Ah, thank you. We'll have fun. I have RE6 on the PS4 if you want. Get some distance. That's not a distance. Uh-oh! No, 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 no! You dodged it. Now dodge mine. No, 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 pantalones. My gosh, those close. I'm sure you guys can hear me smashing the button, right? Oh, did you see that? Did you see that? I teleported behind, like, over here. That was awesome! That is awesome! Look, you sound posh, very relaxed and cool. I don't mean posh in a bad way. I don't think there's such thing as posh bad way. No, but I'm not. I don't even wear pants for my streams. That's how posh I am.
You should have a sensu bean, Goku. Let's continue this spectacular match.
I give up.
What?
I'm throwing in the towel. I think I understand how strong you are. And I've had enough for now.
Come on. Are you really going to give up?
It's your turn now, Gohan.
I think this is the final match, actually. I think. Let's go on normal again. If I die, I'll switch to easy.
Foolish brat. You want to fight me? You must feel lucky. I'll teach you the true meaning of fear before you die.
Here we go. He's blocking all my attacks. That one he didn't block. That's good. I'm at an advantage now.
Feel the rage. Do it. Show me your true power. Take this. Take this. Go destroy the
Haven't you had enough? There's no point to this battle.
That was his first hit. Oh my goodness, now I can't land the hit. Alright, let's try this. Come on, get up! Nice from the back.
Here! It ends here and now. Darn it!
Take this! Take this!
Come on!
Go destroy the
Darn it!
Alright.
Yeah!
Let's do it one more time.
Go destroy the
Nice. Alright, just a couple more hits. Come on, you got this. Really? Alright. You leave me no choice.
It ends here and now. Darn it!
Bye, have a great time.
What's wrong? Does it hurt? Come on. You don't want to die like this, do you? You're a stubborn one. Apparently, your pain alone is not enough motivation for you. So, why don't we take it up with your friends?
Stop!
Oh, there's more of these. Okay.
Please, Gohan, take care of the birds.
Use your anger to free your spirit. I know how you feel, but this is not the time to hold back.
Please, the animals. Protect them. I beg of you. Stay out of this, you worthless pile of junk.
I think they did. They sound exactly like the ones from the anime.
I will never forgive you!
Alright.
So, your true form at last.
No!
Finally! Don't tell me you really thought that...
Well, I mean, sometimes even the same voice actors cannot get the same voices exactly like in the anime, because people get older and voices change. Just like, remember DuckTales? Alan Young, voice Scrooge McDuck. He reprised his role in the game as well, but everybody was like, he sounds off, because obviously he got really old, you know, I mean... That's the thing. That's probably it, you know? Even let's just take an example, nobody. I'm glad you brought this up because I'm into voice acting a lot. Notice the first Family Guy episode, the first one ever, or maybe just even the second one. Alright, and then watch the latest Family Guy episode. Check out how Peter Griffin's voice changed, and even Stewie's. Everybody's voice is actually changed. So yeah, I mean, even if it's the same voice actor, it doesn't mean it's gonna sound exactly like the original, you know?
If you dodge it, the Earth will be destroyed! What's it gonna do?
It takes a lot of skill for the voice actor to keep the exact same voice. For example, Sean Shemo, the guy. Sean, is that how you pronounce it? Sean. Anyway, the guy who voices Goku. He sounds exactly the same as he did years ago. But not everybody's that good, I guess. Alright, here we go. I think that was the final round.
Gohan! What are you doing? You have to finish him off!
What, already? It's too soon for that, Dad. He needs to suffer more.
I forgot about this.
I'll get you. I'll get you for this!
It wasn't the final round, actually, no. Because now he's gonna self-destruct and blow up the planet or something. Perfect cell. Let's go. Oh, sorry, I put the controller down. I didn't know there was gonna be more fighting from Vegeta's side. Yeah, exactly. Ah. No, he stopped my attack. That's awesome. And cheap. Come on. I think it's the last health bar. Oh, he stopped my attack again. Be careful. Oh my goodness. No, no, no! Not like this. I blocked this one. Come on, I need to do this. He blocked it. Right. Now it's my chance! No! Look at his health! Look at his health! Oh my goodness! Angry Vloggy is angry. Come on. Come on, getting angry now. Come on! Come on. Oh, come on! I hate that, it's so cheap. Oh. Oh my goodness. He's thrashing me now, huh? Oh, you know what? Oh my goodness, come on! I can do it though! Look at that! He didn't get the attack. Come on! Alright, come on, come on, come on, come on! Come on, I was dodging that! What the heck? Of course. Of course, he's tired now and he gets... What the heck? Did he miss right in front of his face? Oh, you're kidding me. Come on. Do it! I got him fully, but no, I still got more to go. Come on. I was dodging it! I was dodging it!
Ultimate finish KO!
I'm switching to easy. I don't have time for this. I don't have time for this. I don't have the patience. I gotta go. I've been streaming for almost 4 hours. I can't believe this. I gotta go. I need to finish this. Come on. And I'm gonna be angry. Come on! Oh my goodness, still I can't land a hit. Are you freaking kidding me? Are you freaking kidding me? This is how I'm gonna do this round. By blasting it like this. I will destroy the earth! There we go. That's how it's gonna end. Come on, god dang it! Alright, you know what? Uh-oh. Bye, have a great time. Of course it's uneasy, so...
No.
I can't believe I'm playing this for almost 4 hours.
Die, Vegeta!
Noob. You like that though, don't you? Yeah, this is the final one. Let's go on normal again, just in case. Maybe I can do it on normal. I die once, switching to easy. I die again, I switch it to very easy.
Die, Vegeta! Oh my! What a pleasant surprise!
Cell's power. It's gone up far more than I thought.
I'm not playing anymore! Time to finish this!
No! 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 No!
Come on, just grab him!
No! No!
Right? Nice! So far so good. Come on! Just do it! You won't do it. Come on! No! Oh my goodness. No, so far so Good, come on. He's on yellow, I'm still on green. Nice! Last health bar. Come on! Got him. I think it's GG. Yeah, I think it is.
Goodbye, Earth! It's no good. The boy's totally outclassed. Now, it's time to end this.
Come on! Push your limits! Listen to me, Gohan. You haven't used all your power yet! Go for it! Come on! Farewell!
Thank you, Toby. Pant, pant, pant.
You did it, Gohan!
While we try to get our freedom, fighting deadly combat, I'm gonna always be so wrong. It's only for the
And that's pretty much it. This is the return of Frieza.
everything been going right in my ears. 30 no we died, no one sad, no one cried. Blue skies above. Nothing but the devil heading to this world of now. We will survive by your side, so it's time to fight. The crowd seem to gather around to see what we do. The dead ground's gonna be the rain for us. Against it and go. Going with the hour pharaohs, let us have the pressure. We want them to kick in now. Get your hands up so I could shoot again. While we try to get our freedom, fighting deadly combat. Yeah, won't always be so wrong. It's only cause of life that never dies. Fight it out. think about the rules of this ride. That night wake me so to trust my foes. Just can't sit and go. Going with the our parents, let us have the pressure. We want them to kick in now. Get your hands up so I could shoot again. While we try to get our freedom, fighting that we come back. Yeah, don't always be so wrong. It's only cause of life that never dies. Fight it out. Many nights I'm being a killer, but also a savior, though I never wanna be. Keep your hands with me today, kid again. While we try to get our freedom, fighting that we come back. Yeah, don't always be so wrong. It's only for the eyes. Going with the our parents, let us have the pressure. We want them to kick in now. Get your hands up so I could shoot again. While we try to get our freedom, fighting that we come back. Yeah, don't always be so wrong. It's only cause of life that never dies. Fight it out.
That is pretty much it. I finished the game in 4 hours. there's a few other battles. There's a Bar Dog and the Broly, but it's like 5 battles total. But I'm not gonna do them. I'm gonna go cook something or order something. I don't know, one of those. And I'll catch you all later. I think with something else. I don't know. We'll see. Take care, guys. Thanks so much for hanging out, and thanks for the new subscribers. And I'll see you next time. Ciao.